Hey guys, today we have another great product review. We have a LED shooting tent kit.
An LED shooting tent kit. Or a light box, as some may call it. Go ahead and open that, Annalisa. Made by ESDDI. Great photography products. We've reviewed several of their products before.
Can we open this? What is this?
Interesting. This is a light box for photographing products. Got any instructions there, Annalisa?
No. Maybe.
There you go.
We have this.
So it has LED lights, and you put your product inside the box, and you can take photos or video, whatever you need to do. It's a light box. Let's look at the instructions and we'll put it together. We'll be back. Okay, so we're going to set up our SD light box now. I have plugged in the power adapter. It's connected to this dimmer right here. And this is the LED light panel. And you can control the brightness for whatever your needs are. And the lights will be on top of the box. So let's go ahead and put together the panel. It's held together by Velcro. Very easy to put together. It just snaps right in place. Like that. And when you're finished, just deassemble it, and you have a flat like briefcase with a handle. You can just stick that right under your couch. No one will ever know. So we're going to flip this over, turn it around here. So basically you'll be shooting from the front. You can open this panel, and included with your light kit you have a diffusion screen that snaps onto the top here. It is secured by Velcro. And the top has an opening for shooting down. If you had a product that does not stand up, you can shoot down from the top. Also included with your light box, you have 4 different PVC backgrounds. Now these can be wiped clean. They're like a vinyl finish. I guess they're made out of PVC. You got gray, black, white, and a tan color. These backgrounds are also held in place by Velcro. We're going to stick the white one in for now. So we have our white background installed, and if you place an object in there, it can give the appearance of infinity background. The object will look like it's floating in space. The purpose of a light box is mainly for product photography. If you're selling something online, this is perfect to get the best picture available of your item. So to begin with, let's go ahead and just stick this apple in here. Put the LED panel down. And with the dimmer, you can control the brightness. And we'll take a few photographs for demonstration purposes. Now the LED lights are balanced for daylight temperature, which is 5500 Kelvin temperature. So you want to adjust your camera for daylight balance, or do what I do. I shoot in RAW, and that way you can adjust the temperature after you've made your shot. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install one more different background so you have an idea what it looks like. This white background just snaps right off. And we're going to go ahead and put in this cream colored background. And we'll try shooting some of the same objects with a different background, see what it looks like. And we'll finish up with the gray panel background. So this concludes our video of the SD light box. Great thing to have if you do product photography. Inexpensive, easy to set up. I wouldn't live without it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.